Good morning, young Groms. This vlog is going to be the story of Kevin McPartland and I waking up super early after I just got back from New Jersey to charge the last few remnants of Hurricane Nicole down here in New York.
You got a good one yet? I thought I saw you on one. Yeah, it does look better when it's wet.
Oh, this was my last wave here. I was cold, tired, and not really getting much anymore, so I headed into the beach, and I met back up with Kevin at our cars, and he was like, I'm thinking about taking the water housing out, throwing on the fins, and shooting some from the beach, or shooting some from the water. And I was like, you know, man, I am so tired. I got to get back to studying, and then I was like kind of complaining. I was like, I've been doing all this training, and I'm tired right now. And he's like, so you coming out, or are you not? And then I just go, well, I really want to, but, and he cuts me off and just goes, okay, so you're coming. And I was like, you know what, I am. I threw my booties back on. He swam out, I paddled back out, and I was just trying to line up a sick, like, chip shot right. Like, this one came, I was a little deep, but I was like, I know I gotta be deep to get in there. So I pulled in, tried to make myself as small as possible, but the wave was just a little too small for me, maybe. Like, looking through this, like, little mini tube, looking at him. So it was pretty fun to get that shot. And then we both pretty much headed in, and I was ravenous, ate a bacon, egg, and cheese, and then drove home, and I was back to the grind.